Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey guys, welcome back to PC Gaming Pulse. Today we're diving into one of the most epic gaming PC builds I've ever had the chance to see. A stunning The Last of Us themed build that's sure to send shivers down your spine. This incredible rig is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D CPU, which gives it serious gaming potential. And let me tell you, it's paired with some top-notch components to boot, specifically an MSI-branded Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 that brings all the power of this build together. Now, what really sets this build apart is its attention to detail and commitment to capturing the dark, post-apocalyptic vibe of the Last of Us series. From the subtle paint job on the case to the vinyl decal on the front panel featuring an abandoned building window, it's clear that a lot of thought went into creating a design that's both visually stunning and true to its source material. But what really caught my eye was how well this build incorporates the Height Y70 Touch PC case, which is actually our top pick for building the perfect gaming PC. With its 4K touchscreen display utilized perfectly to showcase some familiar scenery from one of the games, it's clear that the builder, Darren Gatewood, knew exactly what they were doing when choosing their components. Now, I know what you're thinking. This build looks incredible, but is it also powerful enough? The answer is a resounding yes. With all these top-notch components under the hood, this PC can handle even the most demanding games at 4K resolution. So there you have it, guys, a stunning gaming PC build that's sure to inspire your own builds and take inspiration from its creator's attention to detail. If you're a fan of the Last of Us series or just looking for some serious power under the hood, this is definitely one build worth checking out. Thanks for watching PC Gaming Pulse.